Rich spend 20 years trying to convince me to travel with no luggage, just a toothbrush and a passport. He thought it would be liberating. I thought it was insane. That toothbrush isn't going to do you much good without toothpaste, I pointed out. And what about sunscreen, my Kindle, clean underwear? Then I read about Clara Benson, who met a guy through an online dating service and agreed to join him on a no-baggage trip for 3 weeks through 8 countries. Aha, I told Rich. Clara carried a lot more than a toothbrush. She had a small handbag with toiletries and electronics. That doesn't sound so impossible. And then, before I knew it, I was blurting out, "Okay, I'll do it." The next thing I knew, Rich and I had mapped out a 6-day train trip from our home in Seville, Spain, to a rural village in southern France. I decided to go all out and not even bring a purse. I figured I could get everything into my 17-pocket travel vest. I spent hours shopping for the teенsiest, tiniest travel-sized toiletries. The actual packing took less than 5 minutes. Every night on the road, we washed our undergarments and hung them to dry in the hotel bathroom. And I wandered around our room wearing nothing but a towel and my sneakers. But don't worry, you won't be seeing any photos of that. The really fun part was telling people we had no bags. We got blank stares, eye rolls, double takes, and cheeky grins that said, "Yeah, right, you crazy Americans." For Rich, the joy came in stepping on a train holding nothing but tickets. So was it worth it? Yes. I have to admit, Rich was right. The freedom and mobility were fantastic. Would I do it again? Absolutely. It's obviously not practical for every trip, but I'm already looking forward to the next time I get to say, "Bags? We have no bags."